Good morning, students. Last class we have already discussed about irrigations and source of irrigation. So in this class we are going to discuss about methods of irrigations. What is methods of irrigation? The way water is distributed over crops field differ from region to regions. It depends on the availability of water and the type of crops. Okay, so there are mainly 5 types of methods of irrigations. First one is surface irrigation, second is furrow irrigation, third is basin irrigation, drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation. The first one is surface irrigation. What is surface irrigation? Modes of irrigation in which water is allowed to run over the field falls under surface irrigations. Second one is furrow irrigation. What is furrow irrigation? Some crops do not need too much water and is planted on ridges, and water is allowed to run through furrows between the ridges. This is called furrow irrigations. What is the meaning of furrow? Furrow is a long narrow trench made in the field. एक पतला नाली ऐसा देखना, कभी किसी किसी फील्ड में पतला नाली ऐसा बना होता है, फिर उसके ऊपर में मिट्टी ऐसा ढका होता है, फिर उसके साइड में एक नाली होता है, फिर मिट्टी होता है, फिर नाली होता है. तो ये मिट्टी का होता है, उसको बोलते हैं रिजेस. द लॉन्ग नैरो माउंटेन रेंज या मिट्टी ऊंचा है जैसा बना होता है, इज नोन एज रिजेस. ओके, तो इस फैरो में पानी रहता है. Now third one is basin irrigation. The crops like rice need lot of water in which the field is flooded with the water. This is called basin irrigation. Fourth one is drip irrigation. It involves the use of pipe fitted with small tubes called emitters, which release water drop by drop around the roots of plant. कहीं बाहर जाकर देखना, ये एक पाइप जैसा होता है, ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप. तो प्लांट का जो रूट होता है प्लांट में ही सिर्फ गिरेगा वो टप टप करके पानी. दिस टाइप ऑफ इरिगेशन इज नोन एज ड्रिप इरिगेशन. नाउ फिफ्थ वन इज sprinkle irrigation. What is sprinkle irrigation? So this type of irrigation is used in uneven land. In this irrigation, pipes are fitted with sprinkles are laid over or along with field. The sprinkles have rotated heads which spray water over the drop. इसमें भी उस ड्रिप इरिगेशन के जैसे होता है, इसका हेड्स जो होता है वो रोटेट होता है. जुबली पार्क में लगा देगा, पानी गिरता है, ऐसे घूमते रहता है कभी कभी. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वो जो पानी देने का प्रोसेस उसको बोलते हैं स्प्रिंकल इरिगेशन. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन. व्हाट इज क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन? There are mainly 3 types of crop protection: controlling weeds, controlling pests and diseases, and biological control. Crop protection, that means when we protect our crops from these types of enemies. Okay, so weeds. What is weeds? Unwanted plants which grow along with crops are known as weeds. देखना खेत में जो फसल है उसके साथ कुछ कुछ ऐसे ही पेड़ आ जाते हैं, इसको known as weeds. Weeds are harm the growth of crops. Some weeds also produce poisonous substances which harms the growth of crops. Now what is weeding? So removing weeds from the field is called weeding. उसी को उखाड़ के फेंकना को बोलते हैं weeding. Weeding can be done manually, हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं, और by using implement like crowl, hole या रैक किसी से. Okay, spraying chemicals, केमिकल छीट के उसको मार सकते हैं. So these are the process of weeding. Now second one is controlling pest and predators. What is pest? What is pest? Pest is known as rodents. Rodents मतलब होता है rats वगैरह को हम लोग बोलते हैं rodents. and insect, ये mainly ये pest होता है. तो rat eats grain and contaminate them with excreta. Okay, and insect attack any part of the crop plant and spread disease. So for preventing all these things, we use pesticides. What is pesticide? The chemical used to kill pests are known as pesticides. Okay, what is insecticide? The pesticide used to kill the insect is known as insecticide. Rodenticides. Okay, rodenticides The pesticides used to kill rodents is known as rodenticides, चूहा मारने के लिए जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Now fungicide, the pesticides used to protect crop plant from disease known as fungicides. The second one is biological control. Third one is biological control. Weedicides and pesticides are poisonous. ये weedicides हम लोग जो पहले देखे and pesticides क्या होता है, very poisonous होते हैं. So this affect human beings, plant and aquatic animals. Okay. So that's why scientists are trying to find natural or biological way of controlling these weeds. We can say that another way to develop disease resistance varieties of crops or crops that are not prone to certain disease are known as biological controls. Getting? So till now, in the next topic we will discuss harvesting and another topic in the next video. So till now, stay home, stay safe, and thank you.